Hi, third grade. I will be out today for class, but thank you to whoever is subbing for me. We're going to kick off class where we left off on Friday. Last week, we learned about 4 different types of clouds: cumulus, cumulonimbus, stratus, and stratonimbus. The cumulus and stratus clouds meant that there were no storms, and the cumulonimbus and stratonimbus signaled that there were storms in the area. We also noticed that there had to be changes in the clouds in order for us to pay attention if there's storms coming or not. The cumulus grew bigger, the stratus clouds changed color to become stratonimbus. You guys drew them in your storm tracker or a storm spotter guide, which is in your folders. One of the things that we didn't talk about was that if you see a cloud and it changes and you think there's a storm coming, you may not know if it's actually coming because there's another factor that we have to consider. The direction in which the wind is blowing will affect if a storm is coming towards you or going away from you. So just a reminder, in the activity that we're going to do next, you have to know which direction the wind is blowing to see if you can accurately predict if the storm is coming or not. Okay, so let's look at the pictures that you have in your folder and answer the questions to the right-hand side of the picture. Here are the pictures in color, and you will get the picture in black and white. Now look at the arrow for the wind and answer the questions. Pastor Jorge or Senor Jonathan will pause the video so that you can answer the questions. I hope you were able to see that there are cumulus clouds and tall cumulonimbus clouds in the distance. It looks like the wind will blow them towards you. We think there will be thunderstorms that will last less than an hour, so we should probably wait until after the rain to go kayaking or boating. Now let's look at picture number 2 and answer the questions on the handout. Do you think that the clouds are storm clouds? How long do you think they'll last? Here's a clue. Check your storm spotter guide at the bottom of each page. You should see some clues. Your sub will pause the video so you can work on this part. This is a tricky one. For those dark, thick stratonimbus clouds in the distance, that means that a long rainstorm is coming, but the wind is blowing away from us. That's pushing the clouds away. Unfortunately, we don't know what's behind us. If we knew that the sky behind us was blue, then we could take the chance to set up the picnic. As it is, we'd set up the picnic only if we had umbrellas. All right, so let's look at the third picture and do the same thing. Look at the direction of the arrow, look at the clouds in the sky, and fill in the questions on photo 3. All right, let's look at picture number 4 and see what direction the wind is coming. Let's be sure to note what type of clouds are in the sky and use your storm tracker little folder to tell you if there's going to be a storm or not. All right, so let's look at the last picture. Make sure that you notice the clouds that are overhead, but look at the distant clouds there. Look pretty bright back there. So let's see what you will predict about the baseball game. Pay attention to the clouds and the direction of the wind. Good luck. All right, next you're going to read the summer vacation packet and you will answer a few questions. The first part is the vocabulary section. So you're going to write the words that you know and you don't know. Then you are going to answer questions about the article. And at the end of class, you will turn both of those in.